What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Valvetronic Designs, and we're back in the best sounding BMW M2 competition out there. Close the exhaust valves for you so you can hear me a little bit more clearly. We've gotten so many requests to make another video with this car. I think most of the reason came from tons of interest that we had in the platform, but people are looking to understand more of the sound characteristics. Obviously, the car sounds incredible at all RPMs, but in this video, we're going to showcase to you guys all those different RPMs so you can get a really good flavor of how the car really sounds. Whether it's valves open or valves closed, the system offers such great flexibility, and I wanted to give you guys a little bit more of a talking experience so that I can help elaborate to you guys what the car really sounds like. We'll start with the valves closed, we'll do some valves open, and then we're going to go through our normal ritual of our exhaust clips, revs, flybys, accelerations. We'll do them at different RPMs and at different speed levels so you can get a really nice flavor of what this car sounds like. We've had incredible interest and excitement regarding this M2 competition exhaust. The car sounds phenomenal compared to any other equal length system out there or any other single mid. The reason why is Valvetronic Design's ethos with this platform and S55 cars in general, whether it's F80s in terms of M3s and M4s or this F87 M2, was to combine equal length in the midsection to give you that high-pitched, exotic experience up high. These cars, whether you have a single mid-pipe, they're so deep and engaging and raw down low. We didn't want to lose that. So you got the equal length up front, you got the single 3.5-inch rear all the way back to those exhaust tips. The car has a phenomenal sound characteristics. So in this video, sit back, relax, and enjoy. If you are thinking about purchasing this system, people who have already gotten them have been raving about how good the car sounds. It's just such a unique experience for a lot of these S55 owners. So we're excited to bring this exhaust to the platform and keep enthusiasts enjoying these awesome cars. This is one of my favorite personal cars. Such a great size, great powertrain. It needs the ultimate sound experience, and that's what Valvetronic provides. I'm gonna shut up now. Enjoy the video, guys. Enjoy all the sound characteristics, and we look forward to seeing your purchase soon on Valvetronic.com. Cheers. trick for all the Valvetronic systems. Obviously, we're using the BimmerLink app to control the system. Listen to this, ready? I'm gonna rip down this road and then we're gonna close it. Coming up to a stop sign. Car's bone stock again, listen. Click it, ready?